like pussy, I like it a lot. I'd rather have just one, but that one would have to rock. I like pussy, I like it a lot, but you can bet my partner will never be a thought. I like pussy, I like it a lot. If you plan to get some, then you better take some shots, but be ready to be shot down while pursuing what you want, because what's the point in trying if denying makes you stop? You gotta keep on trying different locks. Since you've already got the key, you just gotta find a lock. I like pussy, I like it a lot. I will never stop, even if this body rots. I like pussy, I like it a lot. What's the point in stopping if my wanting ain't unlocked? I like pussy, I like it a lot. Tell me, mother lover, does it really hit the spot? Somewhere past the G, deep inside their deeper consciousness. Let me use my tongue just to see what all that sweetness is. Nibble, 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 till you dribble in my mouth. This is how I like it when I know what she's about. But that's the fucking problem, I am always filled with doubt, because all of those before her proved that they would rather shout than try to solve problems like a rational adult. All these modern women kind of feel like the occult, or they're really boring, and by boring I mean dull. Hardly fucking moving till I gotta check their pulse. Move steady moving till that movement is provoked. Tell me what you think you know, and I'll show you what it means to be alone. I once had a dream, but that dream was made a joke by a bunch of broken women that just didn't give me hope. How do we know what it is we know? I like pussy, I like it a lot, but I'd rather have a lady that be acting like a rock. I like pussy, I like it a lot. Equality is not to be a something we forgot. Listen a little closer and I'll tell you what I've had. Simple gimmick bitches left me tripping in the past. Limping through the symptoms of those bitches made me laugh. But what's the point in talking when that talking is in fact directed at a people that would rather be trash facts? Simping for some bitches is a thing that leaves me shocked. She better be my teammate or I think it's time to stop. Always searching, steady chirping, it ain't working, I'm a swap. When I pick a lady, there's no maybe, she's the cream of the crop. I like pussy, I like it a lot. Talking about the walking off and wanting what you want. Now I gotta go, now you know what I'm about. Or should I speak up and say it much more loud? I'm looking for a diamond, not a dime a dozen now. I like pussy, I like it a lot, but you better be much better than the rest that I forgot. And if you think I'm gonna wait, yeah, probably not. I like pussy, I like it a lot. You gotta be my equal, not just bounce on the... I like pussy, I like it a lot.